Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. In today's blog, I am going to share something that completely changed the way I speak English. It's about how I trained my brain to think in English instead of translating every sentence from Hindi to English. Believe me, once you learn this skill, your English will sound more natural, faster, and fluent. So let's begin. When I started learning English, I used to translate every word in my head. If I wanted to say मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ, I would first think in Hindi. They try to find English word. I am going to market. This process was slow and confusing. Sometimes our grammar was wrong and sometimes I forget the right word. My brain was stuck between two languages and I realized that if I wanted to speak fluency, I had to stop translating. So I started training my brain step by step. The first thing I did was surround myself with English. I started listening to English songs, watching short videos, and reading simple English quotes every day. At first, I didn't understand everything, but that's okay. The goal was not to translate, the goal was to understand the feeling behind the word. For example, when I heard what's up, I did not think इसका मतलब क्या है. I just knew that it's a casual way of saying hello. Slowly my brain started recognize English expression naturally. The second step was thinking in English about daily life. I made a rule whenever I was alone, walking, cooking, or sitting, I would describe what I was doing in English, like I am cutting vegetable, I am getting ready for work, I am feeling sleepy. These were small sentences, but they helped me build a direct connection between my thought and English word. No translation, just expression. Then I started doing English journaling every night. I wrote a few lines about my day in English. I did not worry about grammar. I just wanted my thought to flow naturally in English. For example, today was a good day. I met my friend. We talked about movies. I felt happy. This simple exercise improved my thinking, speed, and confidence. When you write in English every day, your brain slowly start building English sentences automatically. The next important step was shadowing practice. I listened to native speaker on YouTube and repeated their sentence immediately, copying their tone and pronunciation. It felt like my brain was getting used to English rhythm and sound. At first, it was tough, but after some days, I noticed that English words started coming to my mind automatically. Another trick that helped me was naming everything around me in English. For example, if I saw a kursi, I said chair. If I picked up a pankha, I said fan. It may sound funny, but this small habit helped me think faster in English because my mind started connecting object directly with English word, not Hindi meanings. I also changed my phone language to English and started chatting with friends who were learning English. Even when I made mistakes, I didn't stop. I told myself mistakes are proof that I am improving. Slowly my fear of speaking English went away. I started thinking in English more naturally, even without realizing it. Then I practiced talking to myself in English. I asked questions like what should I do today? Why I am feeling tired? What will I eat for lunch? I answered in English too. This self conversation was one of the best exercise because it focused my brain to think directly in English instead of Hindi. With time, I noticed something amazing. When I watched English movies or read English posts, I didn't need to translate anymore. My brain started understanding the meaning automatically. It was like my mind switched from Hindi mode to English mode. Let me be honest, it didn't happen in one day or one week. It took me months of consistent practice, but it was totally worth it. Now, when I speak English, the word flow naturally. Sometimes I even dream in English, and that's when I realize I truly trained my brain to think in English. So, if you also want to stop translating and start thinking in English, there's here my simple formula. Number 1, listen to English every day. Number 2, speak short sentences about your daily life. Number 3, write your thought in English. Number 4, shadow native speaker. Number 5, talk to myself regularly. Don't worry about mistake. Don't focus on being perfect. Just focus on studying connected with English every single day. Remember, your brain learn what you feed it. If you feed in English daily, it will start thinking in English automatically. At the end of the day, thinking in English is not about talent, it is about habit. The more you live with English, the more natural it becomes. So, friend, this was my journey of how I trained my brain to think in English and stop translating. I hope my story inspire you to build your own English thinking habit. Start today, think small, speak daily, and trust your progress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational English learning videos. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Take care.